welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a pineapple guava video. These are different from the guava that we originally have. This is a pineapple guava. I think they have another name. I will check my notes and I will mention that in the video as we go along. So welcome back everyone. Welcome all my subscribers, and for the new one, welcome. And thank you for the support. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these fruits, and I'm just going to use a knife on my cutting board and cut open one so you can see it. So guys, Feijoa fruit, in the alternate terms known as the pineapple guava, is a fabulous fruit that has its original in South America. These fruits are widely cultivated in Argentina, Brazil, New Zealand, and Bolivia. So guys, this fruit tastes like strawberry, banana, and pineapple all in one. Can you see how lovely that tastes? It also lowers blood pressure, guys, and reduce the risk and the strain on the cardiovascular system. So guys, I'm gonna cut it. Look how lovely this looks. Look at that. Wow. And the color looks like a real pineapple color. Look at it. So guys, I'm gonna be cutting up the pineapple guava, and then I'm gonna be using my cooling juicer as always to juice this pineapple guava. And I think I'm gonna like it because it smells just like a pineapple. It is even stronger than a pineapple smell, I can tell you. I am going to also peel a kiwi, and I'm gonna add a kiwi to this drink, this juice. So I'm peeling my kiwi. So I might just cut the ends off from these guavas. The ends are quite rough. They look beautiful, and it smells different, guys. It smells so different. It smells like pineapple, just a bit. Yeah, it smells like a pineapple, honestly. Let me cut it the next way and see what it looks like. Wow. I like that. I like the look of that pattern. Looks good. And the kitchen smells so good. Oh my god, guys, you want to smell this fruit? It smells so good. So guys, I'm gonna finish cutting the ends of them off camera. So guys, I'll pick some lemon off my tree. So I'm gonna peel just one of them, and I'm gonna put it in my cooling juicer, and I'm gonna use these lemon peels to do something else. I make tea from them. So let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I'm gonna be putting in my kiwi, and I'm gonna switch. So guys, I'm gonna be popping in my pineapple guavas, and then I'll be putting in my lime, or you can use lemon, whichever you want to use. I'm going to be using the pulps at the side for a smoothie, that's half bit. So guys, please don't mind my hand, they're very close up to the camera and they look very big that way. To it. So guys, this juice also help with inflammatory bowel disease. Guys, I've googled it and I do a little research, and it was telling me that it has some extract in it that prevent cancer. So guys, the older we get, I think we should try and incorporate these in our diets. That is exactly what I am doing. This fruit also prevents constipation, guys. It is very good for us. And guys, Fiona have a high volume of vitamin C, which helps with our heart. So it is. And Feijoa fruit also boosts the immune system. So guys, Google it and check it out for yourself. Feijoa also boosts the memory and the brain function. So guys, let's see. Wow, that's nice and thick. I'm going to be doing a second batch, guys. And guys, of course, I love using my Revo 830 Cooven slow juicer. I am enjoying using this juicer. So guys, the parts of this juicer is replaceable, and there is so much other juicers out there and they don't match up to the standard of this Cooven Revo 830. So guys, I'm going to turn the machine on and get the rest of the juice out, and I'm going to leave the flap open so that the juice will just keep coming out, and I'll get everything out of the machine. So guys, don't forget to always subscribe and leave a comment, and I always try and answer everyone in the comment section. Pick up all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Wow, guys, if you smell my kitchen, it smells so much stronger than a pineapple. So this is the pineapple guava. Take a close look. So guys, try this out. I will list the benefit in the description box. I'll list more of the benefits in the description box. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. Have a great weekend. See you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.